It is 11 degrees. Feels like it is. You ready for this? 6 below zero. I did a short this morning at 7:43 a.m., but this is looking southeast. Gonna do a premiere today. I don't really have that much going on today. Yeah, we got like a few inches. It is also Martin Luther King Day, so a lot of kids are not in school at the moment. We did get plowed out, but yeah, that is our trash bin. Yeah, I'm just, and there's the snow pile from our neighbor. But yeah, we did get plowed out. I offered to bring in the trash thing, but no, Dad wants it left out. At some point, he'll bring it in. I did offer to help, but yeah, even with jeans on, it is cold. But I just wanted to come on. That's our neighbor blowing out their driveway. But anyway, I'm gonna head back in. It is cold. Oh, and for Wingstop lovers, tomorrow they're going to come out with hot honey garlic and something sriracha.